Good evening. I'm your AI anchor Emily. Portland declares 90-day state of emergency to tackle fentanyl use. A synthetic painkiller 50 times more powerful than heroin, fentanyl has been blamed for a rise in U.S. drug deaths. The city has been struggling from homelessness and drug use in recent years, causing several major businesses and some residents to move out of the city. According to Multnomah County, where Portland is located, the number of overdose deaths involving fentanyl increased by 533% between 2018 and 2022. I'm Emily, signing off on behalf of the entire team at BBC Breaking News. Thank you for choosing us. Until next time, stay informed. Have a great evening.